chief devotees of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He said, Radha Krishna Pranaya Viditi, the loving affairs of Radha Krishna, Alladini Shakti Rasma, Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, has got immense potentiality, as it is confirmed in the Vedas. Parasya Shakti Vividhaiva Suyate Shabha Vivigyana Vala Priyata. So, Krishna, the absolute person, has got immense potency. So, this potency is also emanating from Krishna. Just like in the Vedanta Sutra, the first sutra is Janmadasya Jataha. Everything is emanating from Krishna, or the absolute person. So, the art, music, anything, there are 12 kinds of rasa, mellow. So, there are ghastly mellows also, fearful mellows also, and this melodic music, that is also mellow. So, everything is there in Krishna. Akila Rasamrita Sindhu. All rasas are there. Rasovika. He is the reservoir of all rasa. So this display of art and music, that is also from Krishna. Therefore, art and music should be employed in the service of Lord. That is the perfection. Satarvana tam abdharcha samsiddhi lavati param. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said that whatever your occupation or duty may be, it doesn't matter. If you try to satisfy Krishna, then that is perfect. And in Srimad Bhagavatam also it is stated, Sanushchitasya dharmasya samsiddhi haritosana atapumvi didashrestha varnashrama vibhaga. When there was a great meeting of the saintly persons in Naimisharam, Shuddha Goswami explained to all the great learned Brahmins present there, Atapumvi Didashrestha, the best of the Brahmins who were present there, they were informed that Atapumvi Didashrestha Varnashrama Vibhaga, our Vedic civilization is based on the Varnashram Dharma, Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya, Shudra. Chaturvarnam Maya system. So everyone has got different professions for livelihood. That doesn't matter. But the Bhagavad injunction is Sanushchitasya dharma. You may be whatever you may be. You may be artist, you may be dancer, you may be engineer, you may be doctor, you may be professional man or businessman, whatever you may be, it doesn't matter. There are divisions. In the human society there are so many divisions of labor. But Sanushchitasya dharma. Dharma means natural, characters. If you have got artistic character, if you can dance, all right, dance. If you can sing, you sing. If you can fight, you fight. That's all right. But you take the Sanushchitasya dharmasya, samsiddhi, how your profession has been perfected. That perfection, the standard of perfection is Samsiddhi Harito. Try to satisfy Hari, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by your art, culture, profession, characteristics. So that is Krishna consciousness movement. We do not stop anything. We stop only committing sinful activities. That we stop. Otherwise, we do not stop anything. We simply stop. The sinful activities we stop. What are those sinful activities? Illicit connection with women. Unnecessary killing of animals. Intoxication and gambling. We stop this. Otherwise, you can go on with your profession, don't commit this sinful activity and try to satisfy Krishna, your life is complete. This is the program of Krishna consciousness movement. You remain in your profession. Sthane sthita sudhinatam tanuvan manohi. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended that you stay in your position. Don't try to change your position, but you try to hear of the Supreme Lord. Sthane sthita sudhinatam tanuvan manohi. You try to hear about the Supreme Lord and do your. That is the example in the Bhagavad Gita. Krishna gave his oral reception to the teachings of Lord Krishna. Arjuna gave his oral reception to the teachings of Krishna. And he remained in his position as a fighter. He did not change. Rather, in the beginning, he was hesitating whether he should fight or not. But as a Kshatriya, it was his duty to fight. But he was hesitating. After hearing Bhagavad Gita, he confirmed, Karishe Bhajanam. My dear Krishna, now I am convinced that it is my duty to fight. So, Krishna consciousness movement is like that. You remain in your position, but try to hear from Krishna. You can hear from Krishna. Bhagavad Gita is there. You can hear. Don't misinterpret. Simply try to hear Bhagavad Gita as it is. Your life will be perfect. So, this art and music, the loving affairs of Krishna and Radharani, they are not ordinary things. We should not take it as something material. Materially, when we take it, it is perverted. Actually, it is spiritual culture of the soul's original content. The whole Bhagavad. Paramanirma sadana sadam bhastava bhuttu vedam matra. Srimad Bhagavatam says that this Srimad Bhagavatam is the narration which is to be understood. Paramanirma sadana sadam. Paramahansa. They will understand. So I don't wish to take much of your time, but our proposition is that everything can be employed in the service of Krishna. Anything. Anything. There are 12 kinds of rasas, and in any rasa, and any melody, and any humor, you can engage yourself in the service of the Lord, in full Krishna consciousness. Full Krishna consciousness means that I am eternal servant of Krishna. Jive Sarupai Nitya Krishna Das. That is the statement given by Lord Chaitanya. If you want to realize self, you do not require to undergo much austerity or penances. If you simply understand this thing, as it is spoken by Lord Krishna himself, Mamaivaṁ Jiva Bhuti. All the living entities, they are my part and parcel. The part and parcel of Krishna's body, or the part and parcel of the machine, is to render service to the Supreme, to the whole. The part and parcel is meant for rendering service to the whole. That is Krishna consciousness philosophy. So, unless you come to that point, therefore Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Sarva dhamman parityajya mamekam saranam vrajam. That is the real life to surrender unto Krishna, and whatever we know, whatever characteristics or special profession or duty we have got, we should render for satisfying Krishna. Haritoshana, Samsiddhi Haritoshana. So this Krishna consciousness movement does not reject anything. We can accept art, music, industry, or even fighting, just like Arjuna did. Everything can be employed under the guidance of Krishna or his representative. Just like Krishna says, Tadviddhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekshanti tad jnanam jnanina tattvadarshi. We have to learn this art from the tattvadarshi who knows. Then everything is all. Adjust everything for satisfaction of Krishna, then your profession, your occupation will be perfect. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.